Sending images in Cactur AI is pretty good option. How can you do it? First of all, let's understand Cactur AI does not natively support sending images within a conversation. However, you can work around this limitation depending on the platform you're using. Here you can do some simple tricks to achieve your goal. What you need to do is with Cactur AI while chatting with any chatbot. For example, there are a lot of chatbots here. Example for example, you can take anyone like GigaBrad is this for example, GigaBrad. GigaBrad is one of the character that is in character.ai. Here you can see there is no option towards the image option where you can upload images. There's voice option, there's call option. So what you need to do is just simply link your image, just upload your image to a linkable website. Now paste the link of the image in the keyboard. You can see on the screen. That's simple. This way you can upload images to the character.ai and you're good to go. Character AI, if you don't know much about it, it's a chatbot service that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses. It's a very creative website that you should try out, and I'll see you in the next one.